It's Saturday night. It's time for Soup with Manitoba Chicken. Welcome back. We're making Italian wedding soup here with Karen Armstrong. If you want to show someone how much you love them, Italian wedding soup. If you're feeling happy, Italian wedding soup. Sad, Italian wedding soup. It works for everything.
Yes.
And so we're kind of on part two here because we've made our meatballs
That's
here
right.
with chicken. And so now we're going to show you how to make the actual soup.
The broth, that's right. So I've got in here chicken stock, homemade, or you can use the box variety.
Sure.
Then I've got carrots, celery, onion, garlic, of course. You have to have garlic. And I'm just going to stir so that you can see there is...
I see carrots in there.
Orzo pasta. Orzo pasta is the little rice-shaped pasta.
Yeah.
Or you can use any small pasta. There's lots of different kinds of small pasta out there. So just use something really little, like an orzo. That goes in, and you want the pasta to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Just so that it's come to sort of al dente.
Okay.
Now we're going to add the meatballs.
I'm going to just very quickly mention the peak of the market, carrots and onions, very important, locally grown.
Absolutely.
And they're in our Italian wedding soup today,
Yes,
so.
that's right. So I'm going to put the meatballs in. This could be interesting, might be a little splashy.
Yeah, I'm just going to back away here and let you
Yes.
take the brunt of it.
All right. Now, if you were doing your meatballs, you'd made them up ahead, and you were doing them, you could put them in frozen.
I was good. Yeah. Okay. So you don't need
Save
to
some
thaw
more
them out?
time. Yeah, but just remember that you're going to have to cook them for a little bit longer. Get
I'm
this
gonna-
last. Are you going to steal
I'll steal
one? Oh,
one.
you certainly can do that.
While I have a chance.
All right. So let's get rid of those.
Are you kidding me?
So at this point, I'm just going to stir a wee little bit and warm up the meatballs, because these ones have been sitting for a little
while,
bit. Yeah. All right. So you can already see how hearty this looks. And we've got 2 more ingredients to add.
I was going to say, are we done?
We are not done yet. Wait, there's more.
All right.
Yes.
Waiting
Okay.
patiently.
So the next thing I'm going to add is a little bit of this absolutely beautiful fresh dill.
Dill.
Yes. Dill is fabulous.
Never too much.
Yeah.
In my opinion, much like garlic, I love it. That's
Oh,
great. And it adds some
absolutely.
nice color.
Color
to everything
and
you make, but
beautiful fresh flavor. If you take advantage of the dill in the summertime, freeze it in ice cubes, and then you've got them for your soup.
Yeah.
Because once you've frozen it with a little bit of water and an ice cube, it's going to be super fresh. It's going to give you that fabulous flavor.
that's a great trick.
Now, the next thing, make sure you're using a big enough pot.
Right.
Okay, this is always my challenge. I'm adding one of those small clamshell packs of spinach.
Okay.
Or you could use kale.
Yeah, so when I read the recipe originally, I thought, what a great way, because kale sometimes can be a little bit challenging in terms of, like, it's very healthy, but sometimes it's, if you don't do it right, it can be a bit, rough to eat,
It can be an acquired taste.
Yeah, but it would be
Yes.
great in a soup as well.
Yeah. So this, and don't worry that it looks like I'm actually gonna overflow the pot.
Well,
I'm
spinach
not.
is kind of like,
It's going to all cook down.
yeah.
Yeah. So you just want to just gently poke it down like this. And
Oh.
again, look at the color in that soup.
That's beautiful.
And did you know that Italian wedding soup has nothing to do with weddings or matrimony?
Did not?
No, it has nothing to do with getting married.
There's not, the title kind of threw me off a little bit, but what does it have to do with?
The marriage of flavors.
Get out of here. Really?
Seriously. Yes.
That's-
It's all
makes it
about
even
the
more
marriage
beautiful.
of flavors in this.
The wedding of flavors.
The wedding of flavors, exactly. So, we all eat with our eyes first, and what could be, it just looks fabulous.
What a beautiful
So,
sentiment.
do you think we should taste it?
I-
Because at this point, this soup is ready to stir. Or ready to stir. Well, I have been stirring.
Ready
It's
to stir, ready to eat. Well, I
ready
think,
to sample.
Since this is your, 50th episode, we should have like a
All right.
simul taste or something.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
Just don't burn yourself.
Oh, the dill. It's just like, boom.
Yep.
That is absolutely phenomenal.
Oh,
Thank you
delicious.
so much.
You're welcome. Italian wedding soup.
Thank you. That's fantastic. Okay, so we do have one more recipe for you tonight. We're going to do something called Aztec soup. It's a little like a tortilla kind of soup.
Yes.
Lots and lots of flavor. So stay with us. That's what we're doing when we come right back here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba Liquor Mart. Enjoy responsibly.